Hello beauties, and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to do my everyday brow routine. Let's begin by brushing those hairs in an upward out motion. Next I'm going to apply my Hard Candy eyeshadow primer. I find that this works well in the summer months, keeps the eyebrows in place. As you can see, I'm going in now with my dark brown FabuBrow eyebrow pencil. And I'm following the natural shape of my brow. So now I'm going in with my spoolie and I'm blending out that pencil. And now I'm taking my favorite concealer, the LA Girl Pro Concealer. My shade is Cool Tan. And I believe the brush that I'm using I purchased off of eBay. All the products that I'm using today, I'll make sure to put those in the description box along with the links to be purchased as well. I'm just carving out that eyebrow with the concealer. I want it as precise as possible. And again, just blending the concealer out. Now I've taken my blending brush and I'm blending out that concealer. I want it to be as seamless as possible. And now I'm going in with my very own eyebrow sealer. This eyebrow sealer I have created myself. I'm working on packaging it and it'll be available to purchase very soon, guys, very soon. Take that spoolie and comb those hairs into place. And now I'm going to repeat the same steps for the other eyebrow. I wanted to do the other eyebrow on camera just to give you more of an idea of how to do both. Remember guys, your eyebrows are not twins, they are sisters. Sometimes you may not get them perfect, but you can get them very close. Make sure when you're doing your brows, guys, that you're always working with a sharp pencil. And I'm going to apply the eyebrow sealer on this brow, and I will be finished and ready to go. As you can see, I do not have any other makeup on, so I'm actually ready. These brows are as natural as they can get, but they don't look as if I need to put on a full face of makeup. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time. Don't forget to subscribe.